So what is the system that we are going to build here? By the end of this class, you'll have your own time tracking system in Notion. It will include databases for sessions, tasks, and projects, all connected, and you can also use your existing task and project databases if you already have them. Buttons to start and stop timers with the ability to return to the same task multiple times. A way to see the total time spent on each task and project, as well as how much time each person has contributed. A dashboard showing where your time has been going over the past weeks and months, with options for both free and paid Notion accounts. And since this is a system for real people, we'll add a convenient way to log forgotten sessions and catch the ones you forgot to stop. You'll be able to follow the whole class with a free Notion account. It only gives access to one chart, but don't worry. In this class, we'll not only set up charts, but also alternative views to visualize the same data without them. You can use the system by yourself or adapt it for your team. If you want to extend your existing task management system with time tracking capabilities instead of building the whole project from scratch, just apply all the changes to your existing tasks and projects databases instead of creating new ones. To make things easier, I've prepared a page with all the formulas that we are using in this class. So you don't have to pause the video and retype everything. You can just find a formula by the number that you will see on the screen every time we add a new formula and just copy and paste it. After finishing this class, you're not only getting the ready-to-use time tracking system, but you will also know how everything is working inside it. And this is the most valuable because it will give you the freedom to change and to adopt the system for yourself in the future, especially considering that in this class we're going to practice with every Notion block that is essential for building smart, useful, and helpful systems. Okay, so time to start.